Hello, today I'm unboxing BTS's new album, Arirang. I really hope I'm not butchering that. So I have Rooted in Korea version and Living Legend version. Oh, yep, there, it says it down there. Alright, I'm going to start by, we'll do the big one first. And I'm going to take the plastic off. Okay. Hold on just a second. Oops. Okay. Oh, and I have it upside down. Okay, so it looks like the thank yous are in the box. That's kind of cool. I'm just trying to get it all in the frame. I'm going to move the box out of the way. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so I think it's like a photo book of posters, kind of like Map of the Soul 7. But it looks like the outer cover is a giant poster. And it is a massive poster. I love it. They all look fantastic. And then the outer part. But I feel like I wouldn't be able to hang this up because then I'm not going to have an outer part for this. I guess I could just put this back on. I don't know. I will figure it out some other time. Make sure it's all in frame. Okay. I'm not sure how I should do this. Should I just, because I'm assuming there's, oh, no, you know what? Maybe there aren't pictures on the backside. I assumed it was a Mod 7 thing. Oh, okay, so we have an ID, if you will. Is this their hand? Well, obviously it's their handwriting, but I wonder if it's going to say the album title in their handwriting too. No, it's the exact same. Okay. And there is his ID. Oh, sorry. He looks so good. Are the rest group ones then? Or we got like another set of each person? No ID on that one. Oh! Different texture. Nope, still nothing on the back. Okay. Ah! This texture is just a little bit harder to turn. Oh, still nothing. I wasn't sure if it was an image at first there. Kinda want those pants. To wear them. Not to, yeah, I want to wear the pants. Got another group one. Oh, and then we are going to have another set of them. Let me move the ones I've gone through already because they're slowly starting to slide off and I really don't want them to fall off my table. Oh my god, why is this so hard? I like the little tiny one. Oh, so these ones have a backside. Okay. I didn't realize the rest were everybody else's silhouettes. Oh, took off the suit jacket. Oh, so did Toby, but he also put on sunglasses. Ah! He'd take off the jacket. Yeah, he took off the jacket too. And the tie. He's got the jacket on his back at least. I'm not upset about it. I don't know why I said it like that. I think it's cool they took the jackets off. It's fun to me. Is this anything? No. Oh, and then we get the track list. Was there anything? No, that was the cover. There we go. All right, and then disc, I'm assuming? Oh. Oh, never mind. I thought it was also in a sleeve in here. That would have been really funny. Lyrics. Oh, there's one picture. Hold on. Okay. And there's the disc. I guess I should. It's fine. And then this must be a little folder of extras. Oh, there's a photo card. Oh, you get all of them. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so hard to pull out of this folder. I really like this little folder. Alright, we will go through the photo cards last. I guess let's figure out what this is first. Oh, are they stickers? Yes, but they are like massive stickers. Not all of them, but this two? Yes. And then these look like there's a punch out, so I don't know if you're supposed to, if they're supposed to be standees of some sort. Was this not in frame the whole time? I hope it was. Okay. Alright. Last thing, just the photo cards. I guess I don't really need to fold them over, do I? Well, you can see their signatures, so it's fine. Why does this look like a photo you accidentally take on your camera? Like something I would do all the time. I like it, but okay. I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way, pull the plastic off the other one, and we'll do that one. Okay, and here is the Rooted in Korea version. Here's the back and the front, but we have to open it from the back. So it opens similar to the other one, it's just smaller, which I kind of appreciate. What is this? Just a fun little thing? Okay. We get another fun folder. So this is the photo book, I guess. Oh, I see. Does that come off? No, it doesn't. Okay. It is so foggy in these rooms. I love Yugi's hair. Okay, I didn't skip one. I was worried. Lyrics. I don't know if you can hear any of the stuff going on in the background, but my cat's got the zoomies. Please ignore it. She is living her best life. Okay. To the little folder. Oh. I'm going to try to be careful with the sticker. Aha. Not too bad. Okay. Make sure I got everything. I did. Okay. Oh, this time the photo cards are in a sleeve. And so is the disc. Does the disc have anything on it? Oh, okay, it does. I like that the discs even look different in the different versions. Oh, okay, we got some postcards. I think these count as postcards. Because they have a perforated line like you're supposed to rip them apart. Love it. And then, oh, the thank yous are on the back. That's cute. Okay. And last thing. Ah, I love it. Oh, these are like a weird material. I don't know, they're almost like a real picture, but they're also kind of thin like one. And the backs are just plain. Oh, he looks amazing. I'm kind of down with the red lighting that these two chose. All right, that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye.